how you can turn on location on photos on your iPhone. Now, as you can see right here, on the photo, you will see the location of where the photo was taken. So I'll teach you guys how you can do this. But before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is just go to your settings. So after you're on your settings, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to privacy and security. Go there, go to location services and turn your location services on. After you do that, go to share my location and maybe you can even turn your share my location on. Now what you'll need to do is scroll down till you find cameras. Now when you're on cameras, if it's on never, you'll need to change that. Just select it to while using the app and even toggle on precise location. After you do that, anytime you take a photo, your location will be on the photo as well. So yeah, it's that simple guys. That is how you turn on location for photos on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.